Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to play games on Snapchat. So guys, let's go to your Snapchat. Now go to your chat box. Now select the person with whom you want to play games. So I'm selecting this friend. And guys, instead of the plus icon on the keyboard, you will see a rocket icon. True, you can play games, but since the 2023 Snapchat update, the games option has been removed. So for that, the games option is not available now. But if you download the old version of Snapchat, then you can get the games option on it. So for that, go to your Google Chrome and tap on the search bar and search Snapchat old version 2022. Now tap on the first one. And here you can see every version of Snapchat and you can download one of them. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.